The elephant and the rope. One day a man was walking through an elephant camp. He noticed that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held with chains. All that was stopping them from running away was a small rope tied to one of their legs. He was puzzled. These were massive animals. They could easily break free, yet they didn't. He asked a trainer nearby, "Why don't they try to escape?" The trainer replied, "When they're very young and much smaller, we tie them with the same rope. At that age, it's strong enough to hold them. As they grow, they believe they still can't break it, so they never try." The man was amazed. These powerful animals had stopped trying simply because they believed they couldn't. Moral of the story: your past does not define your potential. Just because you failed or were limited once doesn't mean you still are. Don't let limiting beliefs hold you back. Your strength may be far greater than you think.